some of the prettiest packaging I have ever seen. I mean, look at this. Stunning. Let's see how it actually performs though. I'm also doing a wear test, so stay tuned for that at the end. Starting with this shade, oh, it's too pretty to use. And we'll start by tapping that in the crease. Same shade, I'm just gonna build it up a little bit more. I will say we're so used to looking for extra pigmented shadows, those can get out of hand really quick. I actually enjoy building up my shadow. Now let's grab this shade, flip the product side towards the ceiling and start to press it in the crease. Ooh, that's nice. Love that color. Now let's go ahead and tap that towards the first transition. And we'll grab this shade. And I'm tapping that just through the outer part. They have a creamy-like texture. Not quite a cream, but they're a very creamy, delicious powder. And I feel like they're melting together beautifully. Let's add a little extra eyeshadow base here for our shimmer. I have to use this shade. So let's press that in. Oh, that is real pretty. That is super sparkly. Then we'll just kind of, I picked up some on an E27 and we'll just kind of perfect it. I'm just adding a little bit of a brown gel liner through here and I'm going to smudge it with that brown crease shade we have on. So this is going to be a translucent setting powder. Look how pretty this is. So you twist it, there's a puff and then, I'm aggressive. And then here is the powder. We're going to use the puff that comes with it. Here we go. Okay, so I feel like it set everything, but it didn't over mattify. I think it looks beautiful. So here's the side that I set and the side that I haven't yet. So now we're gonna grab this shade and use this as our blush. And I'm just gonna apply it pretty high on the cheekbone. Let's grab this shade for our inner corner. Okay, but these shimmers are so pretty. Just gonna run that first transition shade underneath here. Gotta try out the highlighter. I'm gonna use this brush because it really mimics your fingertip and you can really pinpoint. Whoa, that is so pretty. I got excited. I was saying that this brush is going to mimic your fingertip and really work it into the skin. Don't worry, we'll use this one in my next story tutorial. Last but not least, how gorgeous is this? Just pops out like that. But look how beautiful. Apply this. I like how it matches the undertones through here. And I'll just use this lip liner to kind of create a little bit more definition. Here is the finished look. I absolutely love it so far. This is actually one of my favorite aqua shimmers that I've ever seen. We'll just do one check-in and I'll see y'all this evening. It is now 7:57. So I did touch up my lipstick, but I have not touched up the eyes and honestly, so good. Safe to say it's not just pretty packaging, it's beautiful.